OpenOffice Calc using functions to solve problems 2. So in this little clip we're going to look at how to solve problems when it comes to ID numbers. So firstly we want to establish whether or not the ID numbers that have been inserted are valid or invalid. And to do this we're going to use our text function len to count the number of characters. It is assumed that you all know that an ID number consists of 13 numbers. Okay, so make sure that you know that for your final examinations. Okay, so equals len, open your bracket, select the ID number, close your bracket and press enter. Okay, you can copy that down. Now you can leave it like this, but it would be nice if the computer actually gives us some kind of word like valid or invalid or yes or no instead of just a number of characters. Okay, so we're going to go back to our first one and we're going to combine this with a simple if statement. So I'm going to say if, then I'm going to test the length of cell C2, and if it's equals to 13, then I'm going to say it is valid, and if it's not equals to 13, then it is invalid. Okay, and close your bracket, and then you can just copy this down, and now it's easy to spot where we've got problems with the ID numbers. The next thing we're going to look at is how to work out the age of these people in years, just roughly in years. Okay, so with your date calculations, it's always end minus start. So we want to take our current year and we want to deduct the year that they were born in. So 2014 minus, in this case, 1996. Okay, so we're not going to type any of that in manually though. We're going to use functions to do it for us. So we're going to use equals, and we're going to use another function that you might not have seen before called here. And this will actually return the value of a year that you're going to type in now. Okay, we want the year of today's date. So today, open and close bracket, and that will just isolate the year for us. So let's press enter, and you'll see that it will return the value 2014, which is the current year. Okay, I'm just going to leave that over there for now, and I'm quickly going to show you how to work out or create the 1996 that you want to deduct from 2014. The problem is that we only have the last 2 digits of the year that they were born in. So we need to add the 1 and the 9. Okay, so I'm going to type in equals 19. I'm going to use the ampersand. You can use concatenate if you want to. And I'm going to join the 19 with the first 2 letters of the ID number. So I'm going to select the ID number, semicolon 2, close my brackets, and there I've got the 1996 now. It's important that you know the basic format of your ID numbers. So the first 2 numbers will be the year that the person was born in, then it will be the month that they were born in, and then it will show the date that they were born on. Okay, or the day that they were born on. The rest of the numbers also mean something, but for examination purposes they'll probably only focus on the first 6 digits. Okay, now usually in your exams they don't really want you to do things separately like we've done here. So I'm going to delete what we've done there, and we're going to join it all together in one function. So we're going to take the year, which is 2014 of today's date, and we're going to deduct 19 combined with the first 2 characters of the ID number, and then press enter. So this first person is roughly 18 years old, and then you can use autofill to copy the function down and find the ages of the rest of the people.